Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I was able to make this rosemary shea butter. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I will need a spoon, a small pan, my shea butter, rosemary leaves, and avocado oil. Because I'm doing the double boiling method, I'm going to be starting by boiling some water. While I'm waiting for the water to get ready, I'm going to use that time to wash my rosemary leaves. Now I'm going to use a towel. You can use a tissue or napkin to dry out the rosemary leaf. The idea is to make sure that it's really dry before we use it. Okay, now I'm just going to let it air dry for a few minutes. My water is now boiling and ready. I'm going to get my small pot and put it on the top. And so today I'm going to use avocado oil, and I'm going to pour about 3 to 4 spoons of avocado oil, or a quarter of a cup of avocado oil. Next I'm going to add my rosemary leaves, and I ended up using only 1 leaf. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friends, family, or anyone you know. Okay, time to add my shea butter, and for today's purpose I will only be using 1 tablespoon of shea butter. After adding the shea butter, I'm gonna let it simmer for a few minutes. After a few minutes, my shea butter melted, as you can see, but the rosemary is still a little bit green, so I'm gonna let it simmer for a few more minutes. After letting it simmer for a few more minutes, as you can see, my rosemary are not green anymore. They're a little brownish. That means my rosemary shea butter is ready. For my next step, I will need a strainer and a small glass container for storage. Now I will transfer my rosemary shea butter into the container using the strainer. Okay, this is how my rosemary shea butter looked in its liquid phase. After I let it sit in cool temperature, it turned to solid, and this is how it looks. A little goes a long way. When using this, you don't have to use too much. You just have to use a little bit. Maybe next time I can make a video showing you guys how I use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, pressing that like button, and see you on our next video. Bye.